The distinct sound of a chiming grandfather clock is instantly recognizable to many. You may recognize the sound, but did you know there are two kinds of chime styles common to grandfather clocks? These are tubular and rod-based chimes. The brass tube bells of the tubular have a beautifully grand style, reminiscent of the imposing pipe organ designs of the past. Single chime movements have 5 tubes and play the Westminster chime. 4 of the tubes are used to play the 4 notes of the melody, and the 5th is used for the hour strike. There is a 9-tube triple chime version as well. Regardless of the version, tubular bells have a longer, more resonant chime when compared to chime rods. While tubular chimes have a more grand effect with a fuller sound, traditional chime rods hold their own appeal for many clock owners. Chime rods are often seen as easier to maintain with a crisper sound that works well with more complex chime melodies. This is likely the sound you are familiar with. The most common grandfather clock melodies are the Westminster, Whittington, and the St. Michael's chimes. The melodies available will be based on the number of tubes or chime rods that your grandfather clock has. Grandfather clocks are symbols of legacy and quality that withstand the test of time. No matter what grandfather clock you're looking for, head over to emperorclock.com for a varied selection of styles to choose from. Or if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below.